Question number 26. Which of the following does not have to be included on life insurance policy illustrations? A. Age of the insured. B. Name of the agent. C. Statement that all values and benefits are guaranteed. D. Name of the insurer illustrations show how a policy might perform. They include non-guaranteed values, so the statement that all benefits are guaranteed would be misleading. The answer is C. Statement that all values and benefits are guaranteed. Question number 27. Jerry is an insured who understated his age on his life insurance application, paying $12 per $1,000 of insurance instead of $15 per $1,000 of insurance, $1,000. If he dies, how will the adjusted death benefit be calculated? A. 12/15 of the policy's face amount. B. 1/2 of the policy's face amount. C. 3/4 of the policy's face amount. D. Full face amount. He paid less than he should have, so the company adjusts the benefit by what he actually paid for. The answer is A. 12/15 of the policy's face amount. Question number 28. A terminated employee that has exercised the conversion privilege is able to convert. A. Only after providing evidence of insurability. B. Without paying for the premiums. C. Permanent group life coverage into term insurance. D. Term group life coverage into permanent insurance. The conversion privilege lets you turn your group term life into an individual permanent policy. No medical exam needed. The answer is D. Term group life coverage into permanent insurance. Question number 29. Retirement plans are prevented from favoring highly compensated employees under which government regulation? A. Withdrawal fees. B. Non-discrimination. C. Keogh regulation. D. Qualified participation. To keep things fair, the IRS uses the non-discrimination rule. Retirement plans must treat all employees equally. The answer is B. Non-discrimination. Question number 30. The Medical Information Bureau consists of A. Insurance agents. B. Healthcare providers. C. Doctors. D. Life and health insurance companies. The MIB is a nonprofit made up of insurance companies that share information to detect fraud or errors. The answer is D. Life and health insurance companies. Question number 31. A modified endowment contract, MEC, is best described as A. A life insurance contract which accumulates cash values higher than the IRS will allow. B. An annuity contract converted from a life insurance contract. C. A modified life contract which enjoys all the tax advantages of whole life insurance. If a life policy builds cash too fast, the IRS says it's no longer a regular life insurance policy. It becomes a modified endowment contract and loses some tax benefits. The answer is A. A life insurance contract which accumulates cash values higher than the IRS will allow. Question number 32. What type of license is required for an individual who charges a fee to review an insured's existing life insurance policy? A. Adjuster. B. Life and disability counselor. C. Life and disability analyst. D. Life agent. Someone who charges a fee to analyze or give advice on existing policies must be licensed as a life and disability analyst. The answer is C. Life and disability analyst. Question number 33. When calculating life insurance premium rates, which component is affected by an insured's age and gender? A. Insurer's expense. B. Morbidity. C. Investments. D. Mortality, age, and gender directly affect life expectancy. And that means the mortality rate. The answer is D. Mortality. Question number 34. Which of the following is not considered to be a definition of the term loss? A. Probability that an event will occur. B. An insurable event that results in a payment by the insurance company. C. Unintentional decrease in the value of an asset due to a peril. D. The amount an insurance company must pay because of an insurable event. Loss means something bad actually happened, not the probability of it happening. The answer is A, probability that an event will occur. Question number 35. Which of the following is not considered advertising? A, a rating from a rating service company such as AM Best B, an illustration C, a sales presentation, D, direct mailing from an agency. Ratings from independent services like AM Best aren't promotional materials, they're evaluations. The answer is A, a rating from a rating service company such as AM Best. Question number 36. Which of the following is a circumstance in which there is a possibility of both a loss or a gain? A, hazard B, peril C, pure risk. D, speculative risk. If there's a chance to win or lose, like gambling or investing, that's speculative risk. Insurance only covers pure risks, not speculative ones. The answer is D, speculative risk. Question number 37. How are Roth IRAs treated for tax purposes? A, non-deductible contributions and tax-free distributions. B, deductible contributions and taxable distributions. C, distributions taxable as capital gains. D, distributions taxable as income. You don't get a deduction up front, but your money grows and comes out tax-free later. The answer is A, non-deductible contributions and tax-free distributions. Question number 38. Which of the following refers to a condition that may increase the chance of a loss? A, adverse selection. B, hazard C. Risk D, peril. A hazard increases the likelihood of a loss, like icy roads or faulty wiring. The answer is B, hazard. Question number 39. Variable life insurance and universal life insurance are very similar. Which of these features are held exclusively by variable universal life insurance? A, policy owner may increase or decrease the premium payments. B, policy owner may increase or decrease the face amount. C, policy owner can contribute large sums of money. D, policy owner has the right to select the investment which will provide the greatest return. Variable universal life combines flexibility and investment choice. You control both the premiums and the investments. The answer is D, policy owner has the right to select the investment which will provide the greatest return. Question number 40. Which of the following describes the statement, the more times an event is repeated, the more predictable the outcome becomes? A, law of large numbers. B, adverse selection. C, average variance. D, speculative retention. That's the law of large numbers. It's what allows insurers to predict losses accurately. The answer is A, law of large numbers. Question number 41. Under a group life policy, the insurer will issue an individual brace to the policy owner for delivery to each person insured. A, policy. B, certificate. C, application. D, rider. Each insured person under a group policy gets a certificate of insurance. The answer is B, certificate. Question number 42. Which of the following would not be accomplished with the purchase of an insurance policy? A, greater peace of mind. B, risk is eliminated. C, payments made for covered losses. D, uncertainty is reduced. Insurance reduces risk. It never fully eliminates it. The answer is B, risk is eliminated. Question number 43. What is involved when a life insurance policy has been backdated? A, setting a policy's effective date prior to a pre-existing condition. B, redating a policy after it has been issued. C, reinstating a lapsed policy. D, making the policy effective on an earlier date than the present. Backdating means starting the policy earlier than today, usually to get a lower age and a lower premium. The answer is D, making the policy effective on an earlier date than the present. Question number 44. Which of the following does the California Insurance Code not require an insurance policy to specify? A, insurer's financial rating. B, policy period. C, Premium D. What or who is being insured? The policy must show who and what is covered, the premium, and the policy period, but not the company's financial rating. The answer is A. Insurer's financial rating. Question number 45. Which of the following is a contract that involves one party which indemnifies another when a loss arises from an unknown event? A. Insurance contract. B. Indemnification arrangement. C. Loss contract. D. Warranty arrangement. That's literally the definition of insurance. One party indemnifies another for an uncertain loss. The answer is A. Insurance contract. Question number 46. An annuity which is backed by a life insurer's separate account is called AN. A. Equity indexed annuity. B. Variable annuity. C. Immediate annuity. D. 403(b) plan. A variable annuity invests in a separate account tied to the market. Values fluctuate. The answer is B. Variable annuity. Question number 47. What kind of life insurance policy issued by a mutual insurer provides a return of divisible surplus? A. Non-participating life insurance policy. B. Participating life insurance policy. C. Divisible surplus. Life insurance policy. D. Straight life insurance policy. Policies from mutual companies that pay dividends are called participating policies. The answer is B. Participating life insurance policy. Question number 48. An endorsement found in an insurance plan which modifies the provisions of the policy is called AN. A. Attachment. B. Add-on. C. Rider D. Supplement. A rider adds or changes something in the policy, like adding accidental death coverage. The answer is C. Rider. Question number 49. Paul has an existing annuity and is sold a new one, in which the new policy holds no greater financial benefit to him than the existing contract. This is considered AN. A. Illegal transaction. B. Immediate annuity. C. Deferred annuity. D. Unnecessary replacement. Replacing an annuity when it doesn't benefit the client is unethical and considered an unnecessary replacement. The answer is D. Unnecessary replacement. Question number 50. A worker is entitled to Social Security disability benefits if all of the following are true, except for A. Worker is under age 65. B. Worker is insured for disability benefits. C. Disability is expected to continue for 12 months or result in death. D. Worker cannot perform his or her current job, but is actively seeking other employment. To qualify, the person must be unable to perform any gainful work, not just their current job. The answer is D. Worker cannot perform his or her current job, but is actively seeking other employment. Good luck on your test. See you in the next video.